Hi everyone, this is Dr. Amy. I'm going to give an introduction of myself as I start this YouTube channel and start committing to making videos on a regular basis for you guys. So this is me. Most of my students call me Dr. Amy in the classroom. This is me on a good day. This is me on a more average day where I look a little bit more tired, glasses on, and a lot less makeup. As a background, okay, I have a bachelor's in science and exercise physiology. I then went back to get my DC, which stands for Doctor of Chiropractic. I am currently licensed to practice chiropractic medicine in New York State. However, for the last 5.5 years, I have been teaching full-time at the community college level. Altogether, between practicing and teaching, I have been teaching for more than 10 years. In addition to just teaching at the community college level, I am a Sunday school teacher, and I like to think of myself as a wonderful aunt. In addition to all of this teaching and other things that I do, I have an Amazon eBay business, which I'm not going to really talk about here, and I was recently diagnosed with fibromyalgia, which I may make a video on for you guys at a different time. Let me know in the comments below if that is something you would be interested in. This channel, however, is going to be primarily devoted to teaching. I had more of a traditional education. I walked into a classroom. I had notebook paper and pens and pencils. I sat in a classroom of 200 people and I took notes from an instructor at the front of the room who basically showed PowerPoint slides, and we never really got to sort of interact with them. And if the lights went out, as a lot of you probably did, you got to take a little bit of a nap. However, now that I'm the teacher, I prefer my students to be much more active, which means that they have to stay awake, they have to stay engaged. And I do this through a variety of methods, including games, flashcards, relay races, digital breakout activities, and a lot of think, pair, share, which is students teaching students. Okay, this channel is really going to be devoted to specific activities. All right, not just the philosophy, but I want to show what I'm actually doing in the classrooms, how it's worked and how it's improved, student retention, and engagement, which then increases learning. I teach mostly healthcare professionals, and most of my students, do have to take some sort of a certification exam upon exiting school. All right, so for them to learn this material is extremely important, and to retain this information for the 2 years that they are at my college, is critical for them. So I have come up with a variety of techniques in order to make this happen. But does this mean that the teacher no longer gets to do their job? I mean, what the heck are they paying you for, right? However, this is not the case. Creating active learning, highly involves the teacher in every step of the way. I'm going to specifically show step by step how to create these activities and how to implement them in your classroom. If you have any ideas or suggestions, please comment below, and I will take those suggestions. All right, please like and subscribe, and I will be seeing you at our next video.